In this video, I'm going to show you how you can draw a rectangular shape on your videos in Filmora. If you found this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, let's get into it. So drawing any shape, and for this case, a rectangle, it is quite simple. First, go ahead and add your video on your timeline in Filmora video editor. Once you have added it, go to this drawing tool, which is here. This is the sign. And if you click on it, you can see we have the first shape is a rectangle, as well as we have other shapes such as arrow, ellipse, triangle, as well as line. So we want to draw a rectangle. I'll select it like that. Once you have selected, now go to the spot where you want to draw the rectangle and just draw it and adjust it to the shape or the size that you so wish. Once you're done, now you can go ahead and remove this fill from this rectangle. To remove the fill, use the edit button here. If you click on it, scroll down until you see this option called fill. Go ahead and toggle it off. You can see currently it is turned on, and that's why we have the color fill here. So if I turn it off, you can see now our rectangle is now transparent. We can see the other side, but there's a problem. Maybe I want to change the color of the border and as well as the thickness. To do so, it is quite simple. Using this basic editing under shapes, scroll down and then look for the option called border. Here, this border, you can toggle it on. If you toggle it on, it will display more options such as color, opacity, as well as thickness. So you can change the thickness of that border by increasing it like this, and you can see it will be changed. If you wish also to change the color, you can also do the same here by choosing the color that you wish. And now once you're done, you can also move it where you wish this to be. For instance, if it is on an image, you can place it exactly where you want it to be, and you can also reduce the size as you wish. If you want to write in a text, you can now use the text function here to write or to add text on this rectangle shape. Should you still want it to have a fill and maybe you want just to adjust its transparency or opacity, you can just add the fill, but come down here under opacity and then just reduce the fill of this. And you can see if you reduce the fill, if you use this option, it will reduce this fill as you wish. So that's how you can draw a rectangle on your videos in Filmora. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.